In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. By the end, you'll know how to turn on the right capability, upload your spreadsheet, and ask effective questions to get clear, actionable insights. Start by opening your Claude account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, head to your profile, which you'll typically find at the top right of the screen. From there, open Settings to access all the configuration options that control how Claude works with your data. Inside Settings, navigate to the Capabilities section. Here you'll look for the Analysis tool. If you don't see a specific toggle labeled Analysis tool, that's okay. In some accounts, the option appears as Allow Network Egress for data analysis. This setting enables Claude to use advanced data analysis features. Go ahead and toggle it on. If you don't see it, it may depend on your plan or region. Just make sure any analysis-related setting available to you is enabled so Claude can work effectively with spreadsheets. With that set, it's time to upload your file. In your chat with Claude, click the plus icon near the message box. This opens a file picker. Locate your Excel workbook, ideally a standard .xlsx file, and select it to upload. If your file has multiple sheets, clear sheet names and column headers will make analysis smoother. Also, for privacy and security, avoid uploading sensitive or confidential information. Once the file finishes uploading, you can begin prompting. Tell Claude exactly what you want to learn from the spreadsheet. For a quick overview, try something like summarize this spreadsheet, and Claude will describe the structure, highlight key metrics, and point out notable patterns. If you have a specific question, be direct and reference the sheet or columns by name, such as on the sales sheet, calculate total revenue by region and identify the top 3 performers, or find any missing values in the date and amount columns and suggest how to handle them. You can ask for charts, descriptive statistics, or step-by-step reasoning, and you can refine your prompt if the first answer sparks new questions. If the dataset is large, consider asking for a brief preview or a sampled summary first, then drill down. You can also request that Claude explain its approach so you understand how it reached each conclusion. And that's it. Enable the analysis capability, upload your Excel file with the plus icon, and guide Claude with clear prompts aligned to your analysis goals.